everyone, I'm Ivy and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of my Glamigo box of the month of July. So my box is here and it's quite a color box, not a plain brown color box. So I really like the color. This is a pastel green color. My camera is catching a different color. I'm sorry for that. So they have also increased their prices of the box for 100 rupees. Earlier we used to get for 299 rupees, but this month onwards you will get this box for 399 rupees, and if you go for 6 months of subscription you will get like 299 rupees, and if you go for a long time you get a more cheaper this box. So if you are planning to buy this box, I'll put down the link in the info box for you to get this box. So now let us begin with the cards first. So this month the theme says unbox the luxury, and there is a list of products which are there in this month of box. Now with the products, the first product which I see is from Monsub. As you know, facial sheet masks are so much in these days, and the Monsub is also came up with these sheet mask, and it's available on Amazon. I've seen a lot of Monsub's mask at there. So this one is not only a mask, it's a total skincare with the vitamin C essence which you are going to apply after applying the mask, and this is a 3D hanging ears, face and neck mask. There is the drawing like this kind of mask will be there in it, and this one is priced for 250 rupees. And yes, this is the kind of mask. I'm quite excited to try this, and if you want a review, do let me know in the comment section down below. I'll do a review on it, or first impression. The second product is from Neemly Natural, and this is the green tea lip scrub, which is 100% natural, and it has green tea, raw sugar, coconut oil, almond oil and beeswax in it. And let's see how okay, so this is the paste kind of thing. I thought it will be a powdered thing, but it is a paste thing, so it's good for scrubbing, and this is priced for 250 rupees. This is the second product. Now moving on to the third product, it's a deluxe sample size of 30 ml of bottle, which is from BioBloom, and this is the hand and body lotion with natural actives lavender. So it is like says a hand cream which is priced for 150 rupees, but this is a sample size product. So this is the fourth, and now with a showstopper, or you can the star of the box, is this lipstick. It's a Mana Kadar lipstick. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So it came with a card also. It says, did you hear about paraben free lipsticks? You have one from international premium brand. So that's why I think they have increased the price of the box. So this is the kind of lipstick. It's a lip lock priming lipstick with step 3 perfect lipstick, but it says it is good for 12 months, and it is a cruelty free brand with a list of ingredients which are there. I hope it is catching now. Yes, and this is a 3.5 gram product, and I have received a shade Serenity, which is good for spring kind of thing. So let me open it and show you the swatch of the lipstick. It's quite a neutral shade for me because I go for very darker shades. So this is the kind of shade, and these are all the products which are there in this month of Glamigo box, and I really like the box because of the lipstick. It is priced for 1560 rupees, so the total is more than 2000 rupees, and you are just going to pay 399 rupees with free home delivery. So this was my unboxing. I hope you have liked it, and if you like it, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.